Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to be checking out Southwest Florida future updates. We do have a couple of new vehicles and new remodel vehicles that are coming soon to the game here in the Trello, as you can see. First off here we have the 2020 McLaren GT remodel. It actually looks really nice here. Remodel actually looks really nice. But yeah, pretty nice model. We have a 1991 Porsche 944. Pretty nice also. And then we have a limited vehicle right here. This car is going to be limited. 1982 AMC DeLorean. So as you guys see here, this is not loading for some reason. I have no idea why. Let's see. There we go. Took a while to load. But yeah, here's the DeLorean. This car is going to be limited. So yeah, that's one limited vehicle right there. Next, we have the 2021 A-Tone Mira DBX. Pretty nice SUV. I really like the rims. I like the headlights. Pretty nice SUV. And then we have another remodel right here. 2005 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. This is a remodel, and this right here actually looks really nice. Like, actually, this actually looks really clean. Pretty nice model, not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna get this once it comes into the game, the remodeled version. Pretty nice, honestly. I really love that front end. Really nice. Next up, we have the 2019 Range Runner Evoque. I don't know if I said that right. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't know. But yeah, pretty nice SUV. I really like the headlights here. Pretty nice. Overall, really nice car. Oh my gosh. Next up, we have the 2021 Audi RS5. As you guys see, this car also looks really nice. Like the carbon fiber mirrors here, really nice. I really like the grille in the front here, also really nice. And the front end of this car here, the grills and stuff seem to be very detailed, especially right here. As you guys see, we got some more carbon fiber. But yeah, this car is also really nice. I can't tell if the roof is carbon fiber too or not, but really nice model right there. It is going to be a remodel. But next up, we have the 2021 Hyundai Sonata N-Line Code. I don't know what code means. Yeah, I don't know what code means, but yeah, here, pretty nice car. Overall, pretty nice. Probably be a good daily driver or something like that. Then we have another remodel here, 2021 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. Taking a while to load again. I don't know why, but yeah, there we go. Pretty nice car. I like the red on the car. And moving on, we have the 2021 Dodge Charger Badcat, which is Hellcat wide body. And look at this car. This looks amazing. I liked how they added this matte roof here. Really nice. We have a spoiler in the back there, which also looks really nice. And I've been wanting this car here to come to Southwest Florida for a long time, and here it is. A really nice model. I'm pretty excited for this car here. Really nice, really cool. And then moving on, this car right here looks really nice. 2020 Dodge Charger Badcat Daytona. Look at this car right here. I love these rims on the car. It looks really nice. Once I get this car, I do not think I'm going to be changing the rims. I think these rims here match the car a lot. Even this blue color here, really nice. I love the way this car looks. A really nice color combination. Just really nice. And we have the Daytona in the back right there. Pretty nice. This car here looks amazing. And then we have a remodel here, 2019 Dodge Charger Badcat, and look at that, they added stripes on this car. Honestly, I think the stripes make this car look really nice, especially like if this gray here was matte, zero reflectance. Oh, that would look really nice. Like, This car would look really nice, even lowered. Like, yeah, pretty excited for the Dodge Chargers that are coming. We have a lot of Dodge Charger police cars here, remodels and stuff like that. And then we have the 1995 Acura NSX. Really nice here, as you guys can see. This car looks really nice. If you get some new rims or lower this car, I think this car would look amazing. But we do have quite a lot of new vehicles coming, a lot of remodels and stuff too. But overall, really nice. Really nice. And if we actually hop over here to the boat section, this boat here is now in testing. I don't know if it was in testing before, like I'm not sure, but yeah, this boat is in testing, so boat should be coming soon, which is really cool, really cool. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for this update here that's coming. Lots of new vehicles. But yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys updated on the future updates. But that is going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. We are on our road to 6,000 subscribers. And that is going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.